Welcome to Ratchet and Clank Wrecking Time Part 4. Yes, it's Part 4. Let's start. No, Part 3. Part 3. Yes, I mean Part 3.
Happy to be of service, ma'am.
The Zyboid will be back soon. Come! We have to get into the village.
So, what are these things?
Mutated viruses from the Corpus. We haven't seen them on this planet in years. Something must have happened to the Zoni. Alpheus, open the door!
Anessa, what are you doing out here?
The Zyboids are back. There must be something wrong with the time cannon.
Not in front of the outsiders. Quickly, we must head into the village. These creatures are the least of our worries right now. One of the elders spotted Lord Vorsalon's warship over the falls.
Woohoo! Lord Vorsalon! I'm there to get now.
That Reverend must be
I
making
won
trouble
him
again.
2 times in a row. I mean, why shouldn't I be
Feel the wrath of my plastic.
Let's feel the red in my bomb glove. Or my fist. Or my bomb glove. Right now you're going to feel the red in my bomb glove.
I won't stop until they've broken through the wall. We have to protect the villagers. These woods are no longer safe. Come,
Oh, yeah.
we can offer you sanctuary within these walls.
Yeah, you should be offering a sanctuary in this world.
I saw your starship crash on the other side of the ridge. I believe we may be of assistance.
The ship's trashed. There's no way to...
But the Zoni can. Meet me at the Temple of Zan whenever you're ready. I will explain everything.
Okay, so in these seeds you get some
You
bolts.
saved Anessa's children.
That's what I did.
In memory of Zan Gridnak, father, friend, and chief of the Fungoids. Looks like this guy was some sort of hero.
Well, maybe he was a bigger hero than you are, lying around, lying in the can. I don't really know why he would
Wow, a real Lombax.
And
Your starship is not beyond repair, but fixing it will take powers beyond anything this universe has ever seen. Powers not to be taken lightly. Can you keep a secret? The Zoni are powerful creatures, capable of almost anything, but they are also hive minds and must be kept together for their energy to work. Inside is a vessel which will allow you to rescue lost Zoni and harness their bioenergy. Follow me and don't touch anything.
Look, I'm touching everything, I'm touching everything.
We'll have to seal you inside until you recover the vessel. Are you sure you don't want to stay here? We have a lovely miniature golf course.
I'll be fine. Or, link into my nav. We'll stay in radio contact.
Copy that. Operation Red Shirt is a go.
All right.
Operation Ratchet is a go.
Is to avoid phrases like, it's too quiet in here, or everything's
It's
going to
too
be
quiet in here, and everything is going to be alright. It's too quiet in here. Everything's going to be alright. And why am I going crazy when I got that?
I'm through. Let's hope this vessel is worth it.
According to the chief, it's one of a kind. Brought to this dimension by Orvis and entrusted to the fungoids.
And he's sure it'll fix Aphelion?
He said it'll do a lot more than that. Zoni bioenergy is the most powerful resource in the omniverse.
Universe, work, universe. The absolute catcher of the Zoni is right here.
There are 2 Zoni in here.
Those poor lost little creatures. See if you can grab one with your wrenches.
Still cold.
Got it.
Nice work, Ratchet. Operation Red Shirt is a success.
Isn't every operation a success? Well, to you it would be. Let's guess. Going through, going through. And here we go.
You survived? I mean, you survived.
I told you we'd do it.
Well done. The vessel is yours. Come, there is one more Zoni we put in the old armory for safekeeping. Our guards discovered it. Quick! Everyone inside the temple! Porcelain is coming!
Alright, Quark. You ready to let those stallions out of the stable? I was born ready.
I believe Dr. Nefarious was clear as to the repercussions of leaving your hovel. The clock is ours.
Whoa, wait. Who?
Dr. Nefarious has no authority here, villain. In fact, I'm not even entirely convinced he's a real doctor. So return my sidekick's power before I bring the thunder. You with again, technology.
To the exile, bring arrested for question.
It's fate. Let's fight. They're kidnapping the villagers.
We have to stop them!
Guys, then you go right here to me. Okay.
I have a secret passageway that will take you back to your ship. Now, stay close.
Let's go to my ship. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long. Destroy that one. one to get a major upgrade, so I'm going to use this one. Oh, and thanks for watching Ratchet and Clank Crack in Time Part